Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video I will teach you step by step how you can rotate video clips in the CapCut video editor. It is super simple guys, and you absolutely don't need any advanced video editing skills whatsoever to pull this off. So let me show you how it's done really quickly. Alright guys, so launch the CapCut video editor on your computer, start a new video project, and next upload the video clip you would like to add to your video project. Click on that button here, open file in the top left corner to locate the video clip on your computer and to upload it to your library. Next, head over to your playlist here and click on that plus icon. Next, left click on your video clip here and place it on your timeline here below by drag and dropping it. Adjust its position and length. And after that guys, to rotate your video clip, simply left click on your clip here on your timeline just like that and head over to the filter section here. Click on that plus icon here to the left and search for a filter called rotate. You may also bookmark that filter by clicking on that star icon here to the left if you like. And next guys, move that slider here below rotation to rotate your video clip here in the preview window. Rotate it to the left, rotate it to the right, and so on and so forth. Also guys, you can change your video clip size by moving that slider here, zoom, and alternately you can change the rotation of your video clip by left clicking, holding and moving that lever here in the preview window if you prefer the more intuitive approach. And that's basically it guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.